Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to upload and attach files, pictures or videos to Google Drive and share them with anyone using a link, all from your mobile phone. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure you are signed in with the account where you want to store the files. To upload, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then select Upload. You can now choose photos, videos, documents or any other files from your phone storage. Let me go with my gallery and I will just choose one photo and one video and tap Done at the top right. Now tap Upload at the top right corner and wait for the upload to finish. You will see your progress while it uploads. Once uploaded, tap the three dots next to the file you want to share. I will go with this one. Select Share or Manage Access. And under General Access, go to this Restricted option and tap Anyone with the link. And here, set it to Viewer, Commenter or Editor depending on what access you want to give. Then go back and copy the link. Now the file is ready to share. You can now paste the link in WhatsApp, Messenger, email, anywhere you want. When the person clicks it, they will be able to view or download the file, photo or video you shared. For extra privacy, you can change the access back to restricted anytime so the link stops working. And that's how you easily share files, photos and videos through Google Drive links on mobile. If this video helped you out, give it a like, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.